Let's have a look at the Magic Chef XL Manual Set Air Fryer.
Hey, I'm Big Lou, and this is Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. And what I want to do today is a product review of the Magic Chef XL Air Fryer. This is the manual one with the 2 knobs. I like that a lot. This one controls the temperature. This one controls the time. Really, really easy. My mama told me to be a simple kind of man. And these dials here is something I can love and understand. All right, this is 5.6 quarts. Metric, that's 5.3 quarts. That's a big basket. It's big as my head, all right? I've never had an air fryer before. I was an air fryer skeptic. I was like, why do I need an air fryer? And I really just thought that air fryers were for cooking, convenience food, frozen foods and stuff. So I started out with some fish sticks and we cooked some other things. And then my wife showed me that you can cook a lot of things in the air fryer. Let me show you some of the things we did this week.
Being inexperienced with air fryers, we started out with something easy. We just did some frozen fish sticks that first night. Kids loved them. They came out really, really crispy, all right? We also did some tater tots too. They were also crispy. Man, was it easy to do and much better than just doing it in an old-fashioned oven. Next morning, we did some toaster pastries in there. I even put a concha in there and heated it up. It came out delicious as well. One day for lunch this week, we made some nachos. I cut up some corn tortillas with a pizza cutter, put them in there, and they came out crispy and delicious just like that. Made up some chorizo nachos, and the kids loved them. I loved them too, all right? And then one night we did some frozen fish patties and some just frozen French fries like that. But I really enjoyed having it, and we don't have a toaster. I haven't had a toaster in 25 years, but this makes excellent toast as well. All right, cut up a potato too and made some potato chips one day, and they came out delicious. And then my wife did this turkey leg thing.
That's right, she cooked a turkey leg. And then that night we had chicken thighs done in here. Yeah, you can cook real food. Those chicken thighs came out beautiful. Now, I've got 2 more turkey legs. Let me show you how I cook them.
Okay, so I got just 2 plain turkey legs here, and all I did was put on some Creole seasoning. This is stuff I make. You can buy the stuff in the green bottle, the yellow bottle, whatever you like. And all I'm gonna do is just take the turkey legs and just place them in the basket, one like that, and one like that. All right, so I'm just gonna slide it in. And then these easy to set dials right here. I've already got that for 350. Sorry about the camera. And we're just gonna put it on here for about 30 minutes. We'll check the temperature at 30 minutes. If it needs to go a little longer, we'll put them in there a little longer. We're looking for them to be at least 180. That's it. Look how easy that is. Well, we're at the 15-minute mark, and this light means that the heating element is not on right now, so it's up to temperature and holding it. And that's just the light that means it's on. But it's time to check on them and flip them over because we're about halfway through. You just pull this out, do it one hand. Oh, look how good they look. Oh my goodness. Let's flip them over to the other side. You get this top side crispy. Look at that, y'all. Wish you could smell them too. May not take the full 30 minutes. All right, you can hear that right there. Just put it back in. And it comes right back on. The heating element's on now. All right, the timer just dinged. And by the way, if you need to stop something early, you're allowed to turn it backwards. I read that you can, and it sounds like that when it dings, all right? So let's take a look at them right here. Look at that. Look how beautiful those are. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, please be at 180. See what my thermopop says here. 189, 186, 187. Oh yes. In that area there, right there by the bone, 167. You know what, I'm gonna go about 5 more minutes on it. Right by the bone, that's on the bone. So yeah, we're gonna go just about 5 more minutes. That's easy. Okay, it dinged. Let's take a look at them. Right down there. Oh goodness gracious! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! All right, they got to be 180 now. So let's check them with the temperature. You always want to check them. Y'all at 191, yeah. And that's right there at the bone, 192. So they're done now. Definitely done now. And it's time to eat. You can hear how crispy that skin is. You hear that skin? Yeah, that's just the Creole seasoning that's on there. All right. So I'm gonna put them on plate, and I'll tell you what they tasted like. But I'm telling you what. Look at it. Look at it. It's gonna be good, y'all. That's it.
I fried a lot of turkeys back during the 90s and the early 2000s. And those turkey legs were as good as any fried turkey, deep fried turkey I'd ever had. All right, they were really, really good and easy to do right here in the Magic Chef air fryer. So the folks at Magic Chef, they've been around for about 80 years. They've teamed up with the folks at NewAir, and you can find out more information about this product at newair.com. I'll have a link below where you can save a little bit on if you buy it for watching this video. Also want to mention it comes with this healthy recipe book. Yeah, y'all can cook real food in here, I promise. All right. That's the Magic Chef air fryer. I'm really amazed at how well this air fryer works. I've never had any air fried food before I did this, all right? And it's really cool how they work if you're kind of new to them like I am, right? You've got a heating element in there and a fan, and it just blows air, and then this basket, which comes apart like that, is designed so that the air circulates all around the food. Y'all, my family's loved it. We've had it for about a week. We've used it every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day, and we absolutely love it. So, and I think you will too. Anyway, that's the Magic Chef XL manual set air fryer. I really like how easy it is just to dial your temperature, turn your time. And by the way, it is okay to turn your time, and also that'll work as a kitchen timer without it even being plugged in. Can you hear that? Hey, thanks for watching the Big Lou Barbecue. Check the link below to the NewAir website where you can get one of these Magic Chef air fryers.